Hi there, welcome to KwikTactiX. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Session Planner, which is part of KwikTactiX 2020. The Session Planner is a fully featured designer tool comprising of 4 main components. First one is the canvas. The next is the marker items. Then the drawing tools. And, finally, the session functions. The canvas is the main area of the application where you design your sessions. It uses a multi-layered and multi-slide based system, just like Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slides. And it also has a background component that you load background images into. You then add items onto the canvas, which appear on top of the background. An item can be either a marker from the marker menu, a shape from the tool menu, or text using the text tool. No matter what item you use, it is placed onto the canvas in the form of a layer. And when you add a layer, it is always added as the front layer, on top of any others. Layers can be moved, aligned and distributed, copied and pasted, deleted, grouped and locked into position. With marker layers, you can additionally rotate, mirror, expand, shrink, and ghost them when they are on the canvas, while shape and text layers can be edited and have their color changed. The tool component allows you to draw shapes and text on the canvas. And currently, there are 12 drawing tools available. From top to bottom, these are the selector tool, which allows you to select layers on the canvas that you want to modify or delete. Next, you have the freehand drawing tool that enables you to draw on the canvas with your mouse, finger, or pen. Then we have 3 line drawing tools. These allow you to draw standard, dashed and wavy lines on the canvas. And the next tool is the multi-line tool, which you can use to create continuous lines. Next you have the 3 shape tools, to create circles, boxes and triangles on the canvas. And the area tool allows you to create transparent or patterned areas, which is perfect for marking zones on a field. Then there is the text tool, for writing text on the canvas. And the final tool is the pan tool, which allows you to pan around the canvas area. To learn more about how you use the tools and their functions, I highly recommend you check our tutorial that is all about drawing on a canvas. The last component I want to talk about is the functions, which are effectively features that add additional functionality to the session planner. One example is the line functions that add arrows, gradients, curves and callouts to lines. And another example is the session recorder function, which allows you to record and narrate your sessions to video. In fact, there are over 500 functions included with the session planner. So to keep this video short, let's go through some of the most common ones you'll use straight away. The function you'll use the most is the file function. This function handles all file operations, like opening and saving project files with the file manager, loading background images, and adding custom markers using the canvas and marker managers. And it also handles saving exported images into your image library, which you can use later in your session plans. Then we have the tool functions, which adds additional functionality to tools and items. So when you select any tool or item, you will see its available functions at the bottom of the session planner. Just like when you select the standard line tool, notice how the functions for this tool appear right here. Now we can turn the functions on or off by clicking them. So if I want to create a curved line, with an end arrow on the canvas, I just need to turn on the end arrow, and curved line functions like this. Now when I create my line, you can see it creates the line using the functions we selected. Also notice, when I select an item on the canvas, that its functions appear here as well. Which means I can dynamically modify the item, without having to recreate it. Another important function you will use all the time, is the marker functions, that appear when you drop, or highlight a marker on the canvas. Notice when I select this marker, it is highlighted by a white selection box which has additional functions available. So I can expand, and rotate the marker in 2D and 3D very easily. As you start using the session planner, you will get to know more about how the functions work together. And finally, I want to mention the multi-user element, which allows you to host live interactive sessions with anyone you want. And best of all, it's super simple to set up. All you have to do is set a date and time when your planner will be available. Then assign a cutoff time, grab the link and give it to anyone you want. When they open the link in a browser, they connect to a viewer app, which is a cut-down version of your planner, with all the draw and export functions, but nothing else. So your viewers can only see what you want them to see. Then when you draw or place items on the canvas, they instantly see what you do. And when you allow your viewers to draw, they can even move the items you just placed on the canvas instantly. So everyone connected will see what each other are doing. It's true real-time session planning, which you don't see in any other application of this kind. I hope this overview gave you a small idea of just how powerful the KwikTactiX session planner really is.